Well, if you're like me, you always wonder what's inside, and you get a little screwdriver. So that wheel in there is the magnet. And so why don't we open it up and we'll see what's inside. Well, as you can see, I've stripped down the body. So there's the magnetic wheel. Actually, I'll use a little screwdriver because it's magnetic. You can see it there. And you can see these, you can actually push that little axle. See that? And go either way. We've got little spaces here for the wheels that go back on. So it's a little bit fiddly to put it back in, but there's not many pieces to it, but that's your magnetic wheel. So, right. Now you've seen what's inside it, I suppose I better now put it back together.